Good afternoon, all my dear students. Now we are going to start our 7th standard syllabus. This is our book, 7th standard book. We are to start our 7th standard syllabus. The first poem is It's a Small World. First one, I recite these poems. You listen carefully, and then after you have to learn these poems. Listen carefully. It's a small world. That is a unit number 1.1. It's a small world. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and world of fears. There is so much that we share, that it's time we are aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. It's a small, small world. See the second one, second stanza. There is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. It's a small, small world. Again, the first stanza I recited. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There is so much that we share, that it's time we are aware. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. It's a small, small world. We can see that now we are going to take these poems stanza wise or line wise. You have to learn, you have to just only listen carefully and understand. First line is given, it's a world of laughter and a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and world of fears. What is the line of this? Our poem's line is, it's a small world. How it can be possible? The world is very big one. How in this way given here it's a small world. This small, it is given here by its meanings. It's not like, yes, world is very big one, but by its meanings, this world is a very small one. Means that all human beings are alike. That means that they are very alike by their hopes, by their fears, by their feelings, by their friendships and whatever, that they are very alike. That's why it's given here this it's a small world. See here, it's a world of laughter and world of tears. It's a world of hopes and world of fears. Means that we are very happy. We just having when we are very happy, that times we express our happiness. We just only jumpings, we are laughing very loudly because we are very happy. As like as there are so many human beings, when they are happy, that times they also express their happiness. Means that all human beings are faces same feelings. Means that happiness. Then tears, a world of tears. Tears means that sadness. Means that so many human beings which they live in this world, they also faces or feels a sadness. They also just only always faces this situation of sadness. When they that times they are crying. It's tears is given here, means sadness. And the world of hopes and world of fears, means that all human beings are their hopes. There are so many hopes. They just wanted to take anything else. They just wanted to acquire something else. That time their hopes are also alike. That is not different. All human beings' thinkings are alike. All human beings are alike. A same one. This one means that laughter, tears, hopes, and that fears also. All that things are related to the all human beings. And the next one is given here. There is so much that we share that it's time we are aware. Means that what we share our happiness. Means that we always gives us when we are very happy. That times we share our thoughts with our friends. When there is a birthday party, that times we just go there and celebrate your friend's party, birthday party, and that times we give him or her some gift. That times that particulars your friends looks very happy because we are all there. In this way that we share, this one is a common things of all human beings. It's a common things that it's time we are aware. It's a small world after all. And this one is laughter, tears, hopes, and fears, and that are sharing something that we are aware of. That what is our awareness? It's a small world. We can say that it's a small world. There are all human beings. There are thinkings, and there are sharing. There are hopes and fears and frightenedness also, and they are sharing also. And hopes also are very alike. That one and this time we are aware of this. All human beings are same everywhere. Their hopes and their sadness and their feelings are alike everywhere. When we go to the Australia, that times when we just only crosses that India, this country, that times when we go there, and that we feels that they also, that people also cry, people also laughing, and these feelings are very alike. Just I tell you in Marathi. आता या ठिकाणी काय दिले? लाफ्टर, टीयर्स, होप्स अँड फिअर्स. द वर्ल्ड ऑफ लाफ्टर. कोणत्याही देशामध्ये तुम्ही जा, लोक हसतात की नाही, कारण ही क्वालिटी सेम आहे. जर त्यांना आनंद झाला तर त्यांना हसायला येतं, जर त्यांना दुःख झालं तर त्यांना रडायला येतं. त्यांच्यात सुद्धा खूप इच्छा आकांक्षा आहेत. त्यांना सुद्धा एखादी गोष्ट, एखाद्या लहान मुलाला बघितलं तर त्याला एखादी भूताची भीती वाटते, कोणाला अंधाराची भीती वाटते. हे फिअरनेस आपण म्हणतो हे सेम आहे, अलाइक आहे. म्हणून पोएट म्हणजे दॅट पोएम्स रिचर्ड अँड रॉबर्ट व्हॉट दे सेड दॅट this it's a small world because all human beings are their human beings feelings are alike. See the next one. Again the 4 times is given, and it's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world. Why this one is given here? Because this Richard and Robert emphasize on that our world is very small one. All human beings are very alike one. Then next one is, there is just one moon and one golden sun, and a smile means a friendship to everyone. But when we say that in the world, when we see in the sky, that times what we think that there is just only one moon and one golden sun. What the sun is doing everywhere, what the sun does everywhere, what they that sun always brightens the sky, brightens the earth. What the sun gives us some brightness, as well as when we see that moon also that looks very beautiful, that also shines in the sky at the daytime also. Means that when we see that moon, that times that moon also shines our sky, a very dark sky, that there is only one moon and only one sun. And a smile means a friendship to everyone. When we smile, that times when we started ours, when we started our smile, that times our friendship, we welcome the friendship. That time our friendship is just only started. That times that is a next step to make up friends. And though the mountains divide and the oceans are wide, though why though is given here, though the mountains are divided. This though is given here. Mountains are divided. There are much of mountains. When we see the all over world, there are very big, very tall mountains, and that these mountains divide our continent, divide our world, divide our countries. But there is nothing, any effect to all human beings. There is the oceans are very wide one. Oceans it's very wide one. आपण जर पाहिलं तर समुद्र खूप मोठा लांब लांब ठिकाणी पसरलेला आहे. समुद्रामुळे वेगवेगळे कॉन्टिनेंट क्रिएट झालेले, त्याच्यानंतर वेगवेगळे देश तयार झालेले. काही काही जर आपण म्हटलं तर वेगवेगळे जे काही मोठे मोठे माउंटन्स आहे, वेगवेगळे पर्वत आहेत, त्या पर्वतामुळे सुद्धा वेगवेगळे देश बाजूला पडलेले, वेगवेगळ्या देशाचा भाग वेगळा, देशांचे भाग जरी याच्यामुळे जरी बाजूला पडले तरी इट्स अ स्मॉल वर्ल्ड आफ्टर ऑल. जगामध्ये कुठेही जा त्या ठिकाणच्या लोकांच्या इच्छा आकांक्षा जे काही हॅपीनेस आहे ते सगळं अलाईक आहे. दॅट इज अ सेम वन. दॅट्स वाय दिस रिचर्ड अँड रॉबर्ट सेड दॅट इट्स अ स्मॉल स्मॉल वर्ल्ड. This one is given here. When we see here, it's a small word. Meaning is given here. Sometimes you meet the same people in an unexpected place or find out that they are connected to people you know. The words "it's a small world" are used to show your surprise on such an occasion. In this poem, the words are used to tell us that all human beings are alike. Means that this Richard and Robert said that all the human beings are alike. It's a small world. We have to all human beings feels very same one. They are very same one. They are very alike one. That's my. When we smile, that times we welcome our friendship also, and this friendship is everywhere. When we see any people, that time they smile, that times they welcome their friendship. जर आपण काही जर पाहिलं तर आपला जे काही स्माईल आहे त्या स्माईलचं किंवा ज्यावेळेस आपण हसतो म्हणजेच आपण काय करतो, आपल्या जे काही होणारी समोरच्या व्यक्तीशी होणारी जी काही फ्रेंडशिप आहे, मैत्री आहे, त्याला सुरुवात करतो, त्याचं स्वागत करत असतो. म्हणून या पोएममधून आपल्याला काय शिकायचं, वी ऑलवेज हॅव टू, इफ देर आर सो मच sadness, we just have to be happy everywhere, be happy every day also, and just we have to find out